Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can add admin to your Facebook page. And admin is going to have access to every single activity on your Facebook page. So if you're okay with that, then you can click on menu at the bottom right of your screen, and from your Facebook page you can see professional dashboard. Now I'm already logged in into my Facebook page. That's why I can see this option called professional dashboard. You also need to log in into your Facebook page and come into the menu and click on professional dashboard. From over here, scroll all the way down, and under tool you can see this option called page access. Once you see page access, click on page access. Now over here what you can do is people with Facebook access. What you can do is click on add new. Once you click on add new, click on next at the bottom. From over here, search for your friend. You can search for your friend using their email or their Facebook name. I'm going to search for them using their Facebook name. After you search for your friend, click on your friend's profile and it's going to show you this. Now from over here, it shows you allow this person to have full control, and the admin has full control. So click on this. Once this is turned on, you click on give access. And you need to enter the password of your Facebook account. So enter that real quick. Now once you enter the password of your account, a request is going to be sent to that person. Now that person can accept the request or unaccept the request, totally depends on them. But yeah, that is how we guys can add admin to your Facebook page. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.